Using the hip drop, let's do a basic belly dance inspired routine. So we stand facing front, hand up or wherever you want your hand to be. Your arms can be here, 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 here. But I prefer to go, let's see, this way. So 1, 2, 3. And then we switch. So this leg goes back. And now this leg is in the front. Change hands. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Let's repeat that. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Let's do it faster. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job. The next move is, I would call it a grapevine. Grapevine with hip drops. So step out, back, out, and get into your position. Hip drop. So we need to switch our legs. We can jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip drop. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip drop. You can stylize this move however you want. You can play with your arms. Freedom is beautiful. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's combine those moves. Go to the front. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Out. You can cross step in the front or in the back. Up, down, down. Down, down. Down, down. Down, down. Down, down. Perfect. Single, single, double is a dance fitness move. So we step out, step back in, double, double. Out, out, double, double. Out, out, double, double. Out, out, double, double. Perfect.